All right, pottery students, we're ready to build pinch pots. Pinch pot making is a hand building technique in pottery. We'll also learn some different surface techniques in our pinch pots. You'll first find in our Canvas classroom, 4 videos that will guide you in your pinch pot making. I would prefer if you watch the videos at home, and then when you are in class, you will begin to make your pinch pots. You'll have that time in class to work on it. So here are 2 videos on how to make them. One video you watch as you're making the first one, and then the second video you watch on how to clean the leather hard pinch pot when you're finished. She uses a Surform tool. If you don't have that Surform tool at home, you can also use the rib that has more of a serrated edge. That works pretty good too for cleaning up a leather hard pinch pot. The second 2 videos are having to do with underglaze. So you'll have to come to school, and if you want, you can take underglaze with you home or do this step while in class. Watch the video, and then when you come to school, you can proceed to do this step. This is all done before the pinch pot is fired. We'll apply underglaze to the leather hard pinch pot, and while it's still somewhat leather hard, you'll be able to carve through the underglaze. I would also suggest that you get your sketchbook out and draw some ideas of what kind of design you'd like to carve in your for your Sgraffito cup design. You'll also have a second pinch pot that you'll make, and you're welcome to do also a Sgraffito design, or you can glaze it any way that you would like. We'll learn more surface design techniques as we go forward with our other projects. Here's some examples of previous students who made Sgraffito pinch pots. You can carve away quite a bit, or like this one here, or just a little bit, or you can carve in a more intricate design. Here are some more examples. You're welcome to add a handle to your pinch pot to make it more of a cup. In this case, this student added some raised lettering to her pinch pot. Here are not students' ideas, but there are other ideas that you may consider when you're doing Sgraffito. Good luck with your project.